What's going on, everybody? I was walking around the show. I'm in the upper South Hall. Found this neat little vacuum from Fanttik. Thought it was pretty neat for all those detailers out there. Got a little high and low button. You pull the top off there. I thought it was kind of neat, something to get in those hard to reach places. See? And hold it to shut it off. Take the top off here. And then it could blow too. They were saying that it's $80, comes in red and black. The red one, I believe, is $95. Takes about 2.5 hours to charge. So you're looking for something to get in vacuum in those hard to reach places. Check it out.